I often get asked whether the 28 lakhs of fees for IIM Bangalore is worth it. Hi, my name is Gunai and I'm currently an MBA student at IIM Bangalore, and I would really like to answer this question through this video, but before that, don't forget to subscribe. I got this passport made in 2018 without any international trip in sight. I just made it for motivation. And when I joined IIM Bangalore in 2024, never did I ever imagine that I'm finally going to get an opportunity to use this for the very first time through my summer internship. Yes, I just spent the last 2 months in Tokyo, Japan, having the time of my life. All thanks to IIM Bangalore. So this is basically the entrance. You don't take your shoes beyond that. And we have a storage situation here. During CAT preparation, I used to watch these house tour videos on YouTube during break time and wonder when will I ever get to have such cute homes to myself and adult in a very Friends, Netflix and sitcom fashion. And we have my bed here. We have Ganpati Bappa. Hello. And so when I was given a whole new apartment to myself in Japan, of course I had to record my own version of a house tour video. All of us have grown up watching Shinchan, Doraemon, Naruto, and many more such cool characters that have originated in Japan. And whenever I used to spot a cartoon reference around me, the kid in me used to feel so happy. Honestly, it still feels unreal that I got to experience all of this. Especially visiting Disneyland was such a huge bucket list item that I got to take off from my bucket list. Work on the weekdays and travel on the weekends. That was my routine for the last 2 months. I remember writing about the Japanese concept of ikigai in my admissions SOP for IIM Bangalore. So, being here in Japan due to it was a full circle moment. Got to see Mount Fuji, wore a kimono on the streets of Tokyo, tried the best ramen, saw some amazing festivals and whatnot. Alright Gunai, we get it. You've got a 2-page voiceover about your summer in Japan and we get that you had fun. But what about the real question? Let me get straight to it. Yes, I know and I acknowledge that the course fee is a significant investment and it can be expensive. But here's the deal. Almost everyone opts for a student loan. It's the most common path and we repay it comfortably once we start working after graduation. And most importantly, there are scholarships available, not just for merit, but also for those needing financial support. You don't have to compromise at all on your dream of pursuing an MBA at an IIM because of the fees factor. And speaking as someone who has taken a student loan myself, I can say with full confidence that it's worth every single penny. The career exposure, the vibrant campus, the brilliant professors, and most importantly, the lifelong friendships you make here will make this journey truly unforgettable. So I say, go for it. Go live your dream.